Okay, first thing I want you to do. So yours is probably already done. I'm just catching mine up. So we started here yesterday, where you had 4, 5, 5, and 6. I want you to draw your bases. The reason why I want you to draw your bases is it makes it a lot easier to identify the height. So that's the first thing we're going to do. We're going to draw your base. What numbers do I use for this little triangle?
15.
15. 9.
9.
And 12. The 7, what is that? This is your figure. So put the 7 under H. All right. How do I figure out the perimeter of a triangle?
On the sides.
Add the sides. So what am I adding?
15, 9, and 12.
Which is what?
36.
36? Okay. And all of these guys, if you were to use your lovely little labels, because I know I don't have my labels here yet. So this would be millimeters because I'm just adding, I'm not multiplying, I just only have 1 mm. My 7 would just be another, just regular mm. How do I figure out the base of a triangle? The area of the base.
1/2 base or 1/2 the big.
1/2 a little b, which is what? What's your base of your figure?
12 and
12 and what?
15.
Remember, this is my figure. Is there a 7 there?
No, 9. 12 and 9.
12 and 9. That's why I'm having you draw your base. 54. And yes, this is millimeters squared. Okay, my next one. I'm going to draw my base first. So if this side's 10, what's the other side? 10. So remember, these little tick marks right here, that just means those two sides are the same. Okay, what's the only number I did not put there?
12.
What number did I not put on that little drawing?
Good morning, junior high. I know.
I asked that again. What's the only number that I did not put in my little drawing?
18.
I have an 8. For those of you who keep saying 8.
18.
18. What is the 18 talking about?
Yes.
The height of your figure. So it's your figure height. All right. How do I figure out perimeter?
32. 10 plus 10 plus 12.
Very
Plus
good.
2 plus 12.
That's exactly what Levi just said. Bless you.
Oh.
All right. And remember, these are inches. Okay. How do I figure out big B? Bless you.
1/2 little b.
Okay. What is little b?
Little b is. Well, version of big B. Algebra is.
Little b is not the same thing as big B. Big B is area of the base, which means base times height. Little b is just the base.
Oh.
What's your height?
What's up, Luby?
8 times 8.
8. All right. What is 12 times 8 divided by 2?
12 times 8 is about 40.
And Gio's on it. All right. Here's what I want you to do before you get your 3 papers. Yes, I just said 3.
No.
And I said, here's what I want you to do before. That means you're actually going to have it done, and you're actually going to get a chance to look at the keys. So, these are not a grade, hence why they are out for you to look at. They're not out for you to copy. That is a waste of your time just to copy it.
Are they up to let us check our answers?
They're out to let you check your answers. Yes, sir.
Yes.
So can I just say?
Yes, Josh.
No.
Huh? No. All right, so they are out for you to check your answers. They're only out to check your answers. If I see you are copying, I assign you after school detention.
Oh.
Because I want you to try it before you check it.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
the reason why I'm having you check it, one, I want you to see if you mess up somewhere, how you messed up before you get the 3 assignments. Yes, there is 3 assignments. After you've done the back of the 2 pages that you put in yesterday, there's 3 assignments that will be right next to the 2 that where you can check. All 3 must be done before you do any missing work. Any questions? All righty.